sa sosa chikuba kay supa.
Makan dua.
Rata chikuba supa eno bukunin kita tika beri
Yang serangan singa ni mataka.
singa ni mataka.
Right. And rara ni and ang
Cornibuli.
grabe ito kaya narara ni Cornibuli na General College.
General College orang kita netball nonton kan lewa. Ada bina kaya nomor porong atau nomor vili. Ada matang di pinggir ni ko. Kita baru cuba kita nan driver kaya passengers talanga rabi taxi to all of friends shooting from overseas. Di sabot cuba nonton kan bortaki. Era ouch palang isu. Ada bina ka dem, ada bina kaya lanoa.
Yana Benaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning, to all the students that are boarding the bus on their way to school, hardworking parents, we hope that the day runs smoothly today. Despite the weather, and dana challenge talka, baka may uli mo na taka pikatan mataka ni kuwa, nanrakyan da bakilati ko.
Dito sar.
Ndrende na nandayan mga mataka, bakilito ka ng mata-mata, nataw niuza, nanumir na lubenda. We hope that you are equipped with your jackets, warm clothes to keep you warm this beautiful morning.
I say good morning to everyone outside the country. Joining from whatever time zone you are,
Right.
and what lighting zone you are in. We say good morning to you and the family, even though it's dark there. But the soundable of lights that coming from the VTFM this morning
Right.
will catch the feeling from where you are to translate into a favorable outcome.
Very sophisticated. I don't know.
Ano na kung na maramatina na bukod kaya bawal tayo suri katalo na matari kuha baka usibe kaya na tumbo. Ano bukod naman yung suba bukod karabit tayo na matari kuha. So sa ato may bola so sige ato bola kaya ato may.
Right.
Abi kaya kaya na rabi milibian ng ngol suba ginasa sa para. And also the drivers from the western side of the country coming up to Suba driving up to Suba and namataka di karabit kuha. Be careful on the roads.
Careful.
It's a bit wet. And kena doon magiti ko na matagalin raki vango.
Right.
Tumago kila di no mumbreki sala ngati kumbeka. O kila pina kana mutuli kere. Rokobiti ko pa miraka pa muri pa binaka. Nanon dalawa ni ngau di sala sa dalawa ni Vito Seki.
Doon binaka.
Okay, this morning we will talk about the dog.
Oh,
Yes.
somebody like mo.
What about the dog?
Manungo, but some of us are afraid of the dog.
Right. Yes.
So nindo to bali manakuli sa lay viviwal mbaleta. Nirara pa kanakuli.
Ayo, just the sight, even the sight.
Doro ba naka? So, nindaw kurang na kulira sa ating budivi. Ero niya do kina na pagadal ka.
Right.
Ero niya do kina na pagadal ka. Nabuko nga ni nonra dumbulata ka. Narorong ang bita manakuli.
And the dog is very playful.
Iyo.
Okay, ni narida when you run, the dog thinks
Iyo.
that you want to play with,
Right.
Dog.
Iyo, niya bagito kita tiko pek sana.
Iyo.
What is this na dog? Iya ko liti ko sa taman ito mapulatu.
So kung tang gitu ba o chale gitu ba kuli
Right.
Le baka melanjina may nakuli baka me So kung sa tamirere tali so nakaba okay. Today we ask Demes because Demes is familiar with the life of a dog. But okay, do bang dikibira sir nga?
Iya, bakit dua?
Nanguna siya tumikin na koro kila nabi kami balitir. He wants to know the word. No nambula and do nakuli kalakista di takira-kira and no tunga manakoro.
Right.
Demes, please tell us about the dog.
We say before we go to the dog, we say
Iyo.
good morning to Momo, Kelemendilamba, Bele
Iyo.
Chare, John Kumar, Luwenia Tawes, Korubutonandi,
Pitatawake.
Side Bale, Pitatawake, Toba Tamalo,
Malo.
John Bawaga. Good morning, and also to Posiano Mbani Dakau, Wambea School Compound, Newo no Mekandabu. Posiano Mbani Dakau. I think this fella from Mundo. Yeah. So come.
How many types of dog in Fiji?
There are so many types of dog depending on their texture of
Breed.
their breeding.
Right.
Iyo.
One is a normal dog.
Right. What
That's
is it called?
usually seen in the dog too, depending on the skin they have. Wakana buti-buti na yang ona. The
Yeah.
shape of the ear, the shape of their skull, depending on which breed they are in. We have normally in Fiji, we have the different kind of dogs. One is a Fijian village and street dog. That's a normal one.
Street dogs.
Yeah. The popular one is a German Shepherd, the Rottweilers,
Yeah.
Ken Koso.
Kay Koso?
Ken Koso.
Oh, inom de kay Koso.
Kaya Koso ko rin na kaya kami. The Pitbull, the Dogo Argentino.
Right.
They're different kind of dogs.
Resort dogs.
Huh?
Resort dogs.
Your resort dog. We have the Fila Brasilero, Japanese Otoso.
Iyo.
Yeah, we have that kind of dog. But in Fiji, we have the normal dog.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, some the German Shepherd.
Right.
We have the Tigona Collie, the kind of dog that they like sprinting. Korkan udidi. some dogs, they are very lazy, even though how you treat them in the way to become
Active.
active,
Yeah.
they won't able because they are in that kind of
Siguro ka lalay, kuro ka maleka,
Yeah.
wuch-wuchya. So,
Maleka.
wala sila
Yeah.
ray tumay.
Right.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
kind of dog too. We have some they are pet dog,
Iya.
some they just loving roaming around.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a kind of dog we have in Fiji now.
Okay. Nadaba, sokin na weekend, baka ko sindore. Do you afraid of dog?
Yes, I am afraid of dog because one day I leave Lomaibuna from where sister was staying.
Iya.
I going to Hublal shops in Lomaibuna. People listening from Lomaibuna, if they know Hublal shop, they will see this. The lights off,
Right.
and I was sent to buying candle from the shop.
Yeah.
Before Hublal shop, on the left like this is Biju's house. Biju's house, and Biju got plenty dog.
Oy.
Iyo,
Gitantol lang mata-mata.
Indola, open air. Because they have the ginger, the tools, the shop there.
Okay.
So they have to
Security.
security the everything.
Iya.
So when the dog was there, they ran after me.
Right.
Dona kulinga buka kali bungay lumay. This is the one. Kau usah tunrubi kau tu hakin me atau menangono kau sini posoti kau rotu.
Oy.
Because he's the one. He's the one. He's got a steady heart. Even though I shout. You, the road is just cleared by the caterpillar.
Iya.
Sangkai tunggu pas sama takut cerna, and the corner of the road.
Yeah.
Kono mono bango where there is the teeth of the caterpillar is. Sangkai to libo kono pampanisau.
Iya.
Bono yang kita tahu kina na buku-buku ni abang imur. Ang kita romba kay lande vio mena kali liangku. Adi kamusu na kandrala. Hubang karambulo kaila. Wagari pali tumba.
Oy.
You know, it's very dangerous because if anyone got a steady heart, if they run after you, everybody, even though they are very frightened,
Yeah.
they will run and follow the same one.
Right.
They like that.
Iya.
They will follow the leader. So when the leader bites, they want to bite.
Right.
Oh,
Love bite.
Love bite, man, olive. Yeah. So from there, I say no more to dogs.
The dog want to love bite you. Because the dog love you, eh?
Because of the dog loving you, he wants to bite you.
Okay, how do you run? You tiptoe or?
Not tiptoe,
Oi.
backward run.
Huh?
O ba suka? Because my face to face them.
Iya.
Because if you give your back to the dog, Mosasulia mo bananda kumodidi,
They love the back.
they will run after you. Yeah. They will run after you. Yeah.
Okay. Kla dem sembata ni naganago tulisin ko ni Sobekia dan indo konro nga koli sarte hudi di bata ni rasani kila
Yeah.
ng bulan indo na koli.
Right.
Why do dogs bark?
They back. That's the only way for them to communicate.
Okay, right dono.
That's the only way for them to communicate through barking.
Iya.
And the only way to chase their relationship to you is through their nose. That's
Okay.
why even you pass, they will come at the back and smell you. Did he related to you?
Is he related to you?
Yeah.
Right.
He will come and smell. If he smell, he don't know you. Oh, this one is not my owner.
Ona.
If we smell, oh, this one, sometime, Niko sabi rikauti, if you throw a dog,
Iya.
Throw a dog.
mo sabi rikautin to na koli. Eh?
Beri kan dono koli memang total la koli.
Right.
Mo sabi rikautin to na koli. Don't ever forget this. That dog will never forget you. Through their smelling.
Right.
Iya.
They got a specific, special
Brain
brain in their skull
in the heart.
to
Right.
to smell,
remember, to store.
to store that
That smell.
smelling.
And
you
they
have.
can smell you from a mile away. They don't need to come at the back.
No,
They can smell you
because
from afar.
the only place to relax is coming from the back. Because if they're coming in front, it can come. That's why some people they can't selalu kati memory because they know you won't see them.
Yeah.
You won't able to
So
defend
nangonay ko
yourself.
makasukusuk to kina, they are trying to smell you.
Oh,
Because they're trying to run from the back. And the Messi, is protecting his back.
Right, because he knows
Iyo.
that the dog will smell him.
Yeah, and bite the back.
Bite the
And detect that he's not the owner, eh?
No.
Right.
Because the only way they think, because if they come in front of us like this, because we can defend ourselves, eh?
Yeah.
When they come in the back, that's why you run. They run after you, because they know you are afraid.
Okay. They don't run after you because they're angry. They run after you because they want to smell the back.
Right.
And mostly,
They can smell the fear.
the
Yeah.
only dangerous dog is a female dog.
Oi!
Erka dunru kaile o may katangan.
Right, especially when they have small puppies, eh?
Even though they don't have a puppies. Era daw
Pregnant.
wika ti sarawi katangan may kaile o.
Oi!
Iya.
Yeah, so ngirong mo tawag ko.
Yeah.
Kaya ka na ito ka wilmay. So kembali kaya ka menda suskoli if you are in the jungle or in the bush that you can mo farmhouse you better susunga na kulielewa.
Kulialewa.
Iyo.
Because kulialewa, she will carry everybody's mind. And ako tatunalon ro katangan kiri. There is na
Right.
liungan na kulialewa na mura na kulitangan. So
Right.
whatever things that the dog needs is depending on the female dog.
Okay, talking about non darero kenda.
Iyo.
Irtalangan durere.
Oh?
Irtalangan durere.
Yes.
Okay, go. Last one.
May.
Mo warta ka weekenda. Ken sabi talo taga ni non durere ndo de murikenda.
Right.
Wata kilaman na rong ndo no kali erere.
The dog too, if
Iyo.
you go somewhere there is plenty dog,
Iyo.
just carry a bottle of water. Ningon ididi ko mekin na kuli suya ko nga naway. And
Simple.
ko. So that's a simple way to o suya ko nga naway wati bukan dono na bedi muri.
Uy.
They are afraid of waters.
Yeah.
Suya ko kaya baka ngor especially na mandi heights like that there's plenty dog. O tarang o suya yan. E awaki ko
Bodo
maile.
ke sa bola mengo ng gadi boy ko non bacinway.
Kung nadidi mo na matinuay, like mo na matinuay, may didi may. Kaya mo na matinuay, may didi may.
Okay.
Yeah.
The sound of a dog when he or she is afraid.
He will never open his mouth.
Oi.
Oi.
Just listening to their voice.
Yeah.
And the tail too will coming and join the umbilical cord. And natara bido tal tu menambuin na.
Right.
And nalimunin to mumbula.
Right.
Right.
Looking buhay na, eh?
Yeah, looking buhay na.
Right.
So dangon daw lead ni essa dumasar nga oira.
Iyo.
Duwatan ni dunru baka may dunru.
Yeah.
Their voice will be like,
Showing the teeth.
yeah, and
Right.
showing the teeth.
Okay.
And ang una talaga na baka semay.
Yeah.
Like that.
Dogs lying down, 4 legs up. What's the reason and the meaning?
The reason why is like that because a long time they never seen the sunshine.
Oh, okay.
Ni wotin doon na tao ni udang malabu. Merang garay da merlay pa dila bisinga. Ersa kilawira saraw na to si Bikongo. Saraw na didi. Long time they never see the sunlight.
Right.
Sanden de bakango na utin doon udang malabu. You'll see them outside just like the kettle.
Right.
The calf. The calf when the long time even the utin ko doon udang malabu na bidi dia. Lande. Teke. Iyo.
Bebeto nga. Tutubitikir ko to.
Tutu lagi roto metandre.
Yung kasadil nga ako na sila, mamurmurin ko. Dala ni kamay lolombo.
Tara na sila kulito mo la. Ako ko sura malas kantan.
Kasi tutu.
Kamera Nancy, ano na kamera? Racheli, sama to may Port Villa.
Jo matay.
Jo mata yan binaka.
Ano bale?
Ngayu and lulu ni boy liko.
Leito raga.
Reti boy la yan binaka Racheli banu bebeli na wakura michi may suka big skull satina. Hela kay wa yan binaka may manu weni na itasir ba binga dito ta.
CSI nakasi.
CSI nakasi police station.
Wana.
Ano
Elemen di lamba yan binaka.
Bulare.
Double na kasi, bina Sara. Yan ang talo ni Kulia na matag ko na men's best friend.
Yeah.
And we should know more about them Meron ni buki kende na tambul na mulai
Pero
racing.
solo na matay si so soro koperata.
Iya, belat ni sali bro Kulia sa sisi abu gitu nang nongo.
Iya.
So na una radisyon tu mentang abuan to cikini kakalilay.
Lo manira.
Manira
En alaman ni EM954, nauan raketi maduwata en benaka kadinga tamay lambat tembu en mata benaka ni kuah.
Isa, ada benak.
Very expensive words. You using tabale cito kon reniniu.
Oh, vale, mbulre. Kita saraba like hat kasih tangan on talay binamata binani kuah.
No.
Na ito kani.
El na the money.
Mundo ko.